my lovelies, today I'm coming at you guys with a video with my best friend.
Should I put on a black shirt? Because I have to wear the pink thing to get it out of my hair.
Alright, lovelies, today I'm coming at you guys with a video today for skincare, and I am doing it with my best friend, Elaine. Her notes are always really bad, so I don't really know what that was. We're gonna be using 4 ingredients. So we're gonna be using some Elmer's glue. Elmer's glue is non-toxic, low.
Eaten by kids at school.
She's a teacher, so she knows this. So I said, this should be good for the skin. She said yes, because little kids consume it. So then the next product we'll be using, activated charcoal. They're just like regular capsules with powder in them. And then we're gonna be using 2 essential oils. So we're gonna be using lavender and tea tree oil. Lavender oil is really good for the skin because it helps with acne scarring. It also calms the skin if you suffer from redness. It's also really good for that. And then it's very soothing and calming. Obviously we know that. Tea tree oil is a natural antibacterial. It helps with inflammation as well as redness, fights acne, and yeah, it's just a really good essential oil. Did you know these things?
No, but it smells good.
We're using shot glasses to mix our stuff. Boom. Using a shot glass, I think that's actually a good measurement though. We're gonna do half a cup of the glue in this. So we got some straws as well that we're gonna use to stir.
I just feel like this is gonna feel like when you were in school, did you ever put glue on your hand?
And then peel it off like it was your skin?
And wait.
I did.
It was so satisfying.
I just think the only thing I'm scared about is my face being so hairy. I'm just so scared. This is how much glue we're starting with. Now we're just gonna add our essential oils. So we could just do 5 drops of each. Start with 5 drops of lavender oil. Now just gonna put 5 drops of tea tree. And now for the main ingredient is our activated charcoal. They look like this. I'm just gonna break them open and put the powder in. Right now it's looking like this. And now we're just gonna take our straws and just stir it together.
Why is charcoal good for your face?
The benefits of charcoal are it detoxifies your skin, it helps fight acne, it also soothes irritation to your skin, and honestly, it's just really good at purifying, just as it is when you're actually ingesting it. It's really good for your digestive health. So it kind of does the same for your skin, and it's able to pull out any like toxins and impurities in your skin. Now here comes the fun part.
I'm so scared. I'm so scared, bro.
Ooh, it's like instantly tingly. We know that's the tea tree. I gotta watch my baby hair. Good thing we got the mirror. I would've cried. It feels amazing to me.
It feels good. It feels like it's like, so, like I feel like right now everything is being sucked out of my insides. You know?
At your insides or your face?
My face, like it's going like a vacuum, just sucking everything to the top.
Already before it dries?
Mm-hmm.
That's good. That's good. Wow, this side is so thick. That's why I was dripping. I couldn't see in the mirror. So it's been about what, like 35 minutes?
Everything's dry?
Everything is super dry and it's kind of hard to move your face. But the whole time our face has still been tingling. Like it feels so good. Stretch your skin. Oh God. Oh, the cheeks hurt.
Like, is it better to just go fast or slow? Oh my goodness.
I got my baby hair. Okay. Wow.
It's like a baby's bottom, bro.
It feels so soft.
I literally know it's painful, but I would do this every night.
I will do this too. Let's see what we got off our faces.
I got a lot.
I got a lot from my nose.
What? Okay, this is great, a great mask. Sucked all of those out.
So now I'm going to go rinse my face with warm water with Lou. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video and seeing my best friend. If you have not done this mask, you need to try it. I think we need to do this like twice a week, right?
Hi to the people.
So right here you can see that the charcoal was able to pull up the pus from that zit. Like, this stuff is amazing. Alright, so good morning guys. I'm coming at you guys with a minor update with my skin. So last night after I rinsed off the mask, I just followed up with no toner, just 100% virgin coconut oil. My skin still feels absolutely amazing, but look, that zit is gone. So that mask is everything. I think I will be doing that mask like probably like 2 times a week, and if my skin starts getting back to normal, once I get like my marks and things like that done, then I'll minimize it to like once every 2 weeks. But y'all, that mask is life. So thank me later and go try it because it's super easy to make and super cheap. I hope you have a marvelous day or night, whatever time it is, and I'll see you later. Like usual, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at iamLindaElaine, Snapchat at JamaicanBeauty, and hit that subscribe button. This is hard to open. We're having technical difficulties trying to open our tea tree oil. Us. Look, it's me and you.